Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we'll be putting together a modern farmhouse look that can also work for boho weddings, starting with a beautiful centerpiece. We'll be using tools that you may already have from previous videos, like silk flowers, greenery, and a planter box. So let's go ahead and get started. For the centerpiece, we're using a 10 by 5 inches rectangular wood planter box and placing styrofoam that's been cut to size inside the box. Then we want to get our silk flowers. We're using orange silk gerbera daisy flowers and we're cutting that long stem off. Now because we want plenty of color here, we're also using yellow ranunculus silk flowers. We're only going to need 3 or 4 inches of stem, but the rest of the stem will be adding to these hydrangea flowers. Now the hydrangea flower bushes are pretty full, but we don't want them to overwhelm the centerpiece. We only want a little bit. And of course we have our greenery, again using those wired stems for extra length so it's easy to add to the styrofoam later. This is a great centerpiece to make if you have any leftover greenery or silk flowers, because the more variety, the more natural it's going to look. We want this centerpiece to look like you just went and picked some wildflowers. You can even mix in some real greenery here because that planter box does come with a plastic insert if you're going to be using real flowers. Just substitute the styrofoam with floral foam, those green sponge bricks that you can get wet. Now it's time to put it all together, starting with a bright orange and yellow on the sides of the planter box and with a more muted cream color in the middle. Once you're happy with the silk flower placement, it's time to add the artificial greenery around them. Again, we're going for a freshly picked from the garden or meadow look here, so we're making it asymmetric and overflowing with flowers. You're not going to overwhelm those bright silk flowers. The more greenery you add, the better it's going to look. And voila! Your centerpiece is ready for the table. We're pairing it with a macrame runner that we made in one of our previous videos. If you want to make one just like this, be sure to check the cards or the description below. And to continue that farmhouse look, we're adding tableware with natural textures. So we're using birch wooden round plates and bamboo flatware with denim napkins. For even more texture and table decorations, we're adding wooden circles and a little bit of candlelight. Now you can also just use LED candles here if your event is outside and if wind is going to be an issue. But here we are, the table is set and we are ready to invite our friends and family over for a fabulous summer celebration. You can use this table setting idea for your home, backyard wedding, bridal shower. It's just perfect for a garden party and it doesn't take a long time to style at all. We hope you enjoyed this look at a modern farmhouse table setting and centerpiece, and if you did, please let us know in the comments and make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.